Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset camera in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite. First you need to open the camera app on your phone, then click on the three lines on the top right corner. Here you can find the setting icon, click on it, then scroll down and find the restore default setting, click on it and then click on the OK. Then click on the back arrow and as can we see, welcome to camera. Click on the allow and then OK. And this all reset camera in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite. This is all for today. Goodbye.